Hey guys, in this video, I will give you full review on Klarna. Is it safe? Alright, let's begin. Klarna has emerged as one of the leading buy now, pay later services in the world, offering users the ability to split their purchases into manageable payments. By 2025, Klarna has expanded its reach and improved its app interface, making it easier for users to shop, track spending, and manage their finances. Whether you're shopping online or in store, Klarna provides flexible payment solutions that appeal to a growing number of users looking for more control over their budgets. Using Klarna is straightforward. You can either download the Klarna app or choose it as a payment option during checkout at participating retailers. Once selected, Klarna offers several payment options. The most popular is Pay in 4, where your total amount is split into 4 interest-free payments made every 2 weeks. Alternatively, you can choose Pay in 30 days to delay the charge or apply for Klarna financing, which spreads the payment over several months with potential interest depending on your credit. The app also includes a built-in shopping browser, curated deals, a virtual card for non-partnered stores, and features like package tracking and return management. One of Klarna's strengths is its user-friendly design. The app lets you view upcoming payments, set reminders, and even reschedule due dates if needed. It's particularly helpful for shoppers who want to keep their expenses organized and avoid high-interest credit cards. Klarna also doesn't require a hard credit check for most services, making it accessible to a wider audience. In addition, their customer service has improved in 2025 with faster support channels and better fraud protection features. However, Klarna does come with its own set of risks. It's easy to overspend when payments are broken into smaller amounts, which could lead to debt if not managed responsibly. Missing payments can result in late fees and may affect your credit if you're using Klarna financing. Also, while the service is generally secure and uses encryption to protect user data, it's still essential to use strong passwords and monitor your transactions regularly. So, in order to decide if Klarna is right for you, you have to follow these steps. Understand your spending habits, evaluate your ability to pay on time, and use it as a budgeting tool, not just a convenience. Klarna is safe to use and effective when handled responsibly, making it a helpful option for smart, flexible shopping in 2025. So that's all for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.